Hello friends. Today, I have a special surprise for you. If you're interested in learning Python programming from scratch to a professional level, this course is perfect for you. This comprehensive course includes over 86 hours of training. Currently, Udemy offers it at a discounted price of around €12 with an 83% discount, but I'm giving you the opportunity to access it completely free of charge, 100% free. What you'll learn: you will learn to program with Python from scratch to an expert level, object-oriented programming OOP with Python, and much more. Open your browser, type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar, and press enter. Once the results appear, click on the relevant link to be directed to the desired page. Make sure to type gotodiscounts.com exactly to be directed to the correct page. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, there are different sections. We need to select the relevant category to find the desired course. In the open page, the courses related to the selected category will be displayed, including the course we are looking for. To access the course page, simply click on its link. The course page will open, providing complete information about the course, including discounts and expiration dates. Be sure to pay attention to the expiration date of the discount. To take advantage of the discount, simply scroll down the page. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course completely free through the website gotodiscounts.com. However, keep in mind that this discount is limited and will only be available for the next 4 days. Don't miss out, act quickly and take advantage of this great opportunity. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. We'd really appreciate it if you could support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to share them in the comments section. Have an amazing day.